CT67 subroutines 31st October 28 subroutines 31st October 3 local. Okay, data VMATNR type MATNR is cross type cross V underscore Mac X type X IT underscore Mac type standard table of MAKT uh work area type Mac. Okay. Now V underscore MATNR equal to V underscore sprout equals E. Select from MAKT into table IT match where MATLAB equals 100. Okay. Perform get MAKTX in program Z demo Jan subcall. This is your subroutine. Subroutine is basically a separate code that you maintain the logic so you can actually reuse it in different programs using V underscore Matner, changing IT underscore mat. Let's do one thing. Parameters P underscore Matner. Type. Okay, these class equals the P underscore Matner. Okay. Because we don't have 100, or we'll have to make one, but of course we'll avoid that right now. Now, this is a subroutine call, and I will actually write loop at IT underscore mat into mat. I'll save it before we lose this code. Okay. Write MAKT Matner cross MAKT X. And okay. Now double click subroutine. Do you want to create the object? Yes, we do want to create the object. Save the existing editor. Yes, we will. We will save it. Okay. And over here, Z demo Jan subcall. Save object. Okay, over here we write another program. Data V underscore underscore Matna, type Matna, data underscore ITMAC, type standard table of MAKT. Okay. Initialization, which means that initiate the filling of variables. Okay. V underscore Matna, right? Form get underscore data V underscore Matner 100 and form pattern form. Let's not use this right now. Form and form. No syntax errors. Form get underscore matrix using value. What value? P underscore V underscore Matner, PV Matner, changing PT underscore mat like IT underscore mat. Select all from MAKT into table PT mat where partner equals P underscore V underscore matner. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Form get underscore